Today we are going to install the new DRT Motorsports Xpedition Side Air Intake Vent Mesh Set. This kit fits the 2024 Plus Polaris Xpedition 2 and 4-door models. Install time is around 20 to 30 minutes. Can easily be installed by yourself. With a difficulty level of beginner. You will need this list of tools to complete the installation. So, gather the tools, and let's install. Let's start by grabbing the brushed backing plate, and aligning it on the bottom vent intake, as you see here. Next, either hold it in place, or mark the holes, and drill a 3/32 inch pilot hole. Now, grab the top brushed backing plate, align and center the plate on the top vent cover, hold it in place, or mark the holes, and drill 3/32 inch pilot holes. Only drill through the cover with the front 3 holes. Next, remove the plate, and then using a T25 Torx bit, remove the 2 factory air vent cover bolts, and then remove the cover, and set it aside. Now, using a 3/16 inch drill bit, drill out only these back 3 holes, making them larger, so the cover plate when installed, can be taken on and off easily. Next, reinstall the air vent cover with the T25 Torx bolts, and tighten down. Now, grab the brushed backing plate, and the top painted mesh plate, align them over the drilled holes, and install the screws, snugly. Be careful not to over-tighten. Next, do the same with the lower vent, and the side air intake vent mesh plates are completed. Lastly, repeat these steps on the other side of the vehicle, and you are done. Congrats, that completes your DRT Xpedition Side Air Intake Vent Mesh Set. The Polaris Xpedition Side Air Intake Vent Mesh Set is a great way to upgrade the look of your side-by-side and add aggressive styling to the outer air intake covers. The vent set complements the OEM housing by adding our multi-layer laser cut mesh covers. This set includes a branded mesh top plate, finished in black powder coat, and a bright anodized solid panel contrast plate to offset the mesh and DRT laser branding. Until we meet on your next DRT install, be safe out there. If you have any questions during your installation, don't hesitate to contact us via phone or email. We are here to help.